everything. You change this Pallavi. Kumaranai. Instead of giving 4, you give 6 karvai. Kumaranai Dinau Pani. See, another improvisation. Instead of what is that? Vandannai Kappa. Instead of Vandannai Kappa, instead of 4 gap, if you give 6 gap, Dinau Pani. Dinau Pani Muruganai Kumara. 1, 2, 3. Dinau Pani. Same thing. Before you fix it, after fixing the words, try to sing that one in a high speed also. Dinau Pani. Dinau Pani. Dinau Pani. Dinau Pani. See, this is the way you have to sing Pallavis. You know as I told you, everything is improvisation. Mata Pita Guru Devam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam Anudinam Pujayami. Very simple words. We have to choose the words so that when we sing Ragandanam Pallavi, you should not get confusion. Like Kamala Vadani, Kamala Dala Lochani, Kamala Dala Nayani. So Vadani, Nayani, these things of we have to be, after getting experience only, we have to choose that kind of words. Kamala Nayani, Kamala Dala Dan, Kamala Vadani, Kamala Dala Nayani. So Vadani, Nayani. When you sing in the concert, you put Nayani here, Vadani there, you all get confused. So we have to choose the word in such a way that even in subconscious mood, without mistake, we have to pronounce the words properly. So Mata Pita Guru Deva, everybody knows. Anudinam Pujayami. Appa, Mata Pita, Amma, Appa, Guru Devam. You have to do puja daily. Mata Pita Guru Devam Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam Anudinam Pujayami. நல்லா இருக்க. ஆனால் அது வந்து தாளத்தில் செட் பண்ணி நீ ஒரு ராகத்தில் அதை போட்டால் தான் அழகாக இருக்கும். நாட்டக்குறிஞ்சி இதெல்லாம் எனக்கு பாட தெரியாதா? தட்ஸ் வை ஐ எம் ஆஸ்கிங் யூ. மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம் அனுதினம் பூஜையாமி. நவ் வித் தாளம். மாதா
Mata
Pita
Pita
Guru
Guru
Devam.
Devam.
So you have to understand this one. Mata
Mata
Pita
Pita
Guru
Guru Devam.
And the vam girdi, that is a gap. That is Padagarpaka Ardi. Padagarpaka Arvai. The Daivam here, vam is 5. Vam.
Vam.
Vam. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Vam.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Vam.
That's it. Next Sahityam is Anudinam.
Anudinam
Pujayami.
Pujayami.
Shabash. Now we will set all these things into Talam. Before going to Talam, you have to say the higher speed. First of all, you have to, whenever you set a Ragandanam Pallavi, you try to sing it in a higher speed without Talam. Then you put all those things in the talam so that you can fix the swaras. You have already fixed the sahityam. To sing higher speed, it needs perfect swaras for that lyrics. So, without talam, you try to confirm or fix the swaras for the words. Mataya, Mataya, Pitaya, Pitaya, Guru, Guru,
Guru
Devam,
Daivam
Devam.
Daivam
First class now. Next Sahitya. Anudinam
Anudinam
Pujayami.
Pujayami.
Now you sing only the higher speed. Then you can fix the notes. I am not a good singer. My fixation of swaras may be. So you have to. This is the vocalist job. Fix the swaras while singing higher speed. That should be there in the Madhyamagala. The same swaras you have to sing. Then only you can able to sing higher speed and lower speed, whatever it is. Now you sing Mata Pita Guru Devam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guru Devam. Guru Devam. That vam is 5. Okay? Again, we'll sing again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mata Pita Guru Devam. So here 5 matras. Next. Anudinam Pujayami. Anudinam Pujayami. Anudinam Pujayami. That thing you have to Anudinam. Anudinam Pujayami. Anudinam Pujayami. Anudinam Pujayami. Now from the beginning. Only no tala. No, don't put any tala. Just sing the higher speed. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anji karva, 5 karva, you have to be very correct in that one. Otherwise you won't get the sama. Again. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam Pujayami. And that karva, 5 karva, you have to be very perfect. You have to concentrate on that. Again, see that how I am singing. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam. And the beginning you have to be very perfect. Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam Pujayami. Mata Pita Guru Devam. Anudinam. Now we put all these things into Talam. Adi Talam, Chatursidadi Tirupadai, Samam Yadam. When you sing Raganda Lamali, don't go fast. Stick to the Kala Pramana, right? Mata Pita Guru Daivam Anudinam Pujayami Mata Pita Guru Daivam Anudinam Pujayami Mata
Pita
Guru Daivam Anudinam Now when you sing a concert while I am playing, if you put talam like this, you put me there somewhere in some ocean, you have to be very conscious about putting talam. That is most important. Talam should be perfect. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mata Pita Guru Daivam Anudinam. Lower speed. Mata Pita Guru Daivam Talam Anudinam Pujaya அல்லையம்மா அடேங்க அப்பா விட்டீங்களா again வரும் எங்க தப்பு பண்ணாங்களா யாரோ நானா பண்ணனோ ஓகே again we will sing again Mata Maya Taya Pita Guru Dei 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Anudinam Pujayami again Maya Taya Pita Guru Dei 1, 2, 3, 4 தாளம் தப்பு போடப்படாது Anudinam Puja மத்தியம காலம் Mata Pita Guru Daivam Anudinam Pujayami Mata Pita Guru Daivam Anudinam Mata Pita Guru Daivam Anudinam Pujayami 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 Mata Pita Guru Daivam. So 2 Pallavis you have sing. Very good. Are you all happy about this? You know Hamsadhuni Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje? Sing. Sing. Just sing. Just stand up and sing. Sma, just sing. I am not testing you. Just sing.
वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं
ஆதிதாளம் ஒரு சத்துருசாய் திருப்பட ஒரு கலை தான் வா பாடு
वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं.
The song is nice. Do you know what is va? See, in Mayamalagola, Sarega ma how much? Ma how much? Hey, Sarega ma. Tell me. So va. How much? Every word you have to concentrate. Va ta pi ga da pa tu ba je hum. See, all these things you have to concentrate on the va ta pi ga da pa tu ba je hum. See, all this, even each and every letter has got some gap. Pa ta pi ga da pa tu ba je hum. So you know that each letters matras. See, like this. Now I am going to change the Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje like this. This is my Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje. Okay, we will see. We will take it. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje Bhajeham. Sorry, Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. This is the Pallavi. So now we do the construction. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. This is Dikshitar's composition. He composed like this. For Rakhandanam Pallavi, there is no Padakarpa Karve in that one line. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. No Padakarpa Karve is coming. So, I want to give some Padakarpa Karve. When you sing Rakhandanam Pallavi with these same words, we have to give some Padakarpa Karve. What I have to do is, what is Va? You said 3. Make it 2. Vatapi Ganapatim. So, patim, that is becomes Padakarma. Patim, patim, bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim. So now this is become a Rakhandanam Pallavi. In Hamsadhvani Raham you can sing this. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje. So we have to choose the word so that we will not jumble when you sing Melkalam or whatever it is. So easy words we have to choose while constructing a Pallavi. So this is Vatapi Ganapatim, everybody knows. So you can, without mistake, you can sing Rakhandanam Pallavi. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. See, this mistake you should not. Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim. Kirkala. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Again. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Madhyamagala. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim. Melkalam.
Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham.
3 karva irukku patim. 1 2 3. Now listen to me. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 Vatapi Ganapatim. See, Vaga ரெண்டு தானே இருந்தது, அதை தானே பாடணும். சேம் திங் யூ ஹேவ் டு வாகா தாகா பி கண ப 1 2 3 ப ஜே கம். சேம் திங் யூ ஹேவ் டு சிங். 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Vaga taga pi
Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham.
So you may wonder in the concerts, oh, Sanjay Subramaniam sang very good Pallavi, wonderfully manipulated, Tisram, Misram, everything he done, Kid Kalam, El Kalam, everything he done. Why? He has already concentrated on the words. Why the artist in the stage, they sing lot of things in the Pallavi as Ram Prasad, as a singer. Because he has concentrated on the words and the letters easily and incorporated all these things in the Talam. Concentration, swaras, shrutis, Talam, the gap between letters to letter, all these things he has concentrated. That is why he has